PMI-CNC S-Type is an incredibly versatile 4-axis machining center that provides optimal productivity and throughput. It is capable of machining aluminum and other non-ferrous metals. Some of the machining functions include milling, slotting, drilling, and tapping. X-axis working lengths range from 3 meters to 8 meters. The machine shown here can work with pieces up to 6.5 meters or 265 inches in length. Dual zone processing allows the operator to load and unload short-scale materials in one zone while the machine is working in the other zone. The spindle head has a rotation range of plus or minus 95 degrees in the 4th axis and features an automated tool changer that can hold up to 8 different tools. An oil misting system provides cooling and lubrication for extended tool life and ensures consistent, superior cut quality. Because there is no flood coolant to dispose of, this machine is much more friendly to the environment. All linear guideways and ball screws are automatically lubricated, which ensures longer service life and smooth mechanical movements on all axes. For improved safety, each zone is protected by a light curtain, which stops the machine if the operator gets too close. This machine is also capable of automatically moving clamps as needed, without the need for the operator to stop the process as the machine works. The software interface makes it easy to program and operate. The 4-axis PMI-CNC S-Type comes with a comprehensive 12-month warranty on parts and service.